Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook search bar if it's not working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more search tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and tap on the search bar. Okay. Now, an overloaded or corrupted search history can freeze the typing input box right here or cause searches to load infinitely. Okay. So to go ahead and fix this, again, just tap on the search bar, go ahead and tap on See All, and then just tap on Clear All. Okay, tap on Clear All. Once that's done, go ahead and go back, again, back. Then go ahead and force close the app, reopen it, use the search bar, and it should work now. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and close it. Okay, find the app icon, tap and hold. Now tap on the information icon. If you're using iOS, go to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage, find Facebook, and then just offload the app. Going back to Android, scroll down, tap on Storage. Now go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. And then after that, tap on Clear Data. Once you tap on Clear Data, everything right here will be changed. Once that's done, again, close it. Now, reopen up Facebook, and you should be good to go. That's how easy it is to fix Facebook search bar if it's not working. Now, lastly here, if all else fails, just make sure that you update the app from the Play Store or App Store. Okay, if there's an update button, just tap on update and you should be good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.